Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get Envato elements for free. So let's get started. We're here to the website of Envato, which is elements.envato.com. So they would be directed here in Envato elements. And as you can see here, these are a lot of elements or assets that you could use in your creative works or for whatever purposes that it may serve. And just like this one, it says that 84,771 items has been added this week. So which means this library of Envato assets are improving day by day or week by week. And as you can see, there are a lot of categories here that you can choose, and each category have thousands of them of assets that you can use in your creative work. So enough of the introduction. Let's go head over to how you can get your own account here in Envato. So what you want to do is, let's be show you here in the Incognito tab. Here, I am not logged in. And as you can see, this will be the main page when you go to the Envato elements. And what you want to do is go here on sign in. Because if you want to sign up, you can continue with using your Google account or your Apple or your Facebook. It's up to you, but if you don't want any of this, then you can also create here at Envato, create an Envato account. There you go. Then you will need to provide your first name, then last name, your email, and then your password. And then after that, you have this option here. This is very important. You want to check this, especially when you are looking forward to having free downloads in Envato Elements, because sometimes the email that they will give you here is that they would include assets that is free to download even if you are not subscribed, or it is totally free. You don't have to pay anything. It's just a little tip or just a little giveaway that is free, but it is really useful if you're looking forward to having assets that is totally free. So once you have filled this all up and you have ticked this box, you can now click here on create account and your account will be created. So if you already have an account, you can just go here and provide your username or email and then your password. So we're done here. And now we're here. As you can see, I am logged in here and I can download any assets I want. Example of this one. As you can see here, it doesn't say anything that I have to be subscribed because I'm already subscribed right here. And this is what you would see after you have finished the steps that I'm going to tell you. So here is a tip that I can give you is go here to sharetool.net. Here in sharetool.net, you can find subscriptions here that is very cheap. So the subscription that we want right now is Envato Elements. So let's go to Envato Elements. Envato Elements. Yes, just wait for that. And in here, as you can see, right here, there is an Envato Elements right here. Also about the posts, and here are the subscriptions that you can have. Doesn't matter if you're going for an annual or monthly or trial 1 day or 45 days, you can have it here. And you can also go for this one, but if this is a different one, so we'll just go for this one. And as you can see, it is 87% off. And then here you can see the price is ranging from $1 to $30. And that is from trial 1 day to an annual subscription. And you can see here the account types. So let's say the time that we want here is annual, and they only have shared account for that. And here in monthly, same, they only have shared account. Is that only one here is 45 days, they have an individual account. And with 45 days, you can pay $25 for you to have this individual account. But let's go back to annual because that is the account we want. And I think that would save you a lot more time. I mean, money, because it is good for a year, which means it's just $30. So here, let's go click an annual and share an account. And as you can see, the price is only $30. So we're going to compare it here to Envato Elements. Let's go to Incognito real quick and go to Elements.Envato. And here, let's go to pricing. And as you can see, it's $16.50 per month or $17 per month if you round it off. And that's right. And as you can see, it's an individual plan compared to here in it's only per month, but if you compare it here, we will only be paying $30 per year. So we will save a lot of money with that because you'll only be paying $30 per year. Compared to this one, if you're gonna subscribe here, you'll be, let's compute that, 16 times 15 times 30. And as you can see, you'll be spending this amount of dollars here, or probably yes, because there will probably give you a discount if you go for an annual subscription right here. But still, this is much cheaper. This is very worth it. So what you can do to have the shared account is just simply go here, click an annual and share it now here, and you can now click on buy now. And once you have clicked on buy now, an email will be sent to you. But don't forget that you have to log in here first. Logging in here is very easy. You just have to provide your login address and your username and your password. So once you have done that, then you can immediately go and buy it, and it will be sent to you in the email on how you can claim your account or how you can connect it. So they would send you here to this website, which is Henial.com. And here, Henial.com is a site like this sharepool.net, but they will provide you and login details here. They'll provide you the email and the password, or you could use the quick login to only provide your email. And after that, after you have been successfully logged in here in Henial.com, you can go to that Envato subscription to connect your account. But as currently right now, I don't have this account because I haven't purchased here in sharepool.net yet. I have previously purchased, but as of now, I didn't. So here, after you've logged in here, you can connect your account. There will be also instructions sent to you by the ShareTool team on how you can connect and log in your account here in Henial. So now let me show you an absolutely free way to have an Envato Elements. This is just like the free version of Envato Elements. So you might not get a wide library as Envato Elements, but still this is very workable. If you're only going for free stuff, then this is the place for you. Here, as you can see, you can go here in videos and mix kit. And let's say we want this one, this is 4K, this is really good resolution, and you want to download this, you're just gonna click this. And there, get the downloads. You don't have to click that because your download would automatically start when you press this button right here to download. And as you can see, you can start downloading and you have those assets for free. And now let's go to the different assets like, let's say, templates. Or you can also have icons here. Icons is very interesting. So let's go icons, let's say real estate. And as you can see, there are icons here that you can download, and you can just click on download button right here, and it will commence shortly, and it is absolutely free. And now I'm going to share another website that provides really good, definitely provides really good stock footages here in pixels.com. You can see the photos here are absolutely stunning and amazing. And they also search for videos here. Let's say red video. As you can see, there are a lot of formats because usually in the other platforms, they only provide landscape stock footages, but here in Pixels, you can find portrait angles or format here that you can download for free, and it is absolutely high quality. So that's it for this video. I hope this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.